What? Take out the trash. But Mom, there's lizards out there. I'm sure you're bigger than the lizard. Mommy, last night I had a bad dream. Godzilla came to eat me. You didn't do a good job. You're still here. Aw, man. And, I have to go pick up the trash. I'm scared. That time there was a lizard. He almost ate me. And then last night I had a dream. There's the trash. I need to pick up the black one. That's the dirty one. There's still gonna be a hurricane here, I'm not kidding. So Mommy told me to take up the trash because she doesn't want all the trash going around circles in the whole town. I don't believe that there's gonna be a hurricane, but you know, that's what they said. I don't want a lizard on me. Why can't Mommy take out the trash? Why can't Mommy save me? Mommy, whoa! There's a bug! There's a bug! Oh, the trash fell! The trash fell! I repeat, the trash fell! I'm cool. I'm gonna go outside now and do the wild. Okay. There was a big bug with like 40 legs, and it's just like trying to get me. To get them still alive. If not, this whole thing would have recorded it. Okay, taking it to the street. I hear people. Mommy told me not to touch the strangers. And that something bad's gonna happen to me. Oh, I see someone. Okay, YouTube. I'll talk to you later.